Hello, yeah, in this video, I want to show you how to use the StatTrek Online Binomial Probability Calculator. It's pretty neat. Let me show you. Okay, now this is the website for the StatTrek Binomial Probability Calculator. You can see it's here, and you can select probability x equal to small x, or probability greater than equal to small x1 and less than equal to small x2. So you can calculate the binomial probability for the random variable x to take one specific value or to fall within the range of values. So first you want the success of trial, that's the p, and let's do 20 and say 8 success. And then it's going to calculate x equal to 8, x less than 8, x less than equal to 8, x greater than 8, x greater than equal to 8, and the mean and standard deviation. So you just click calculate, and it will give you all the answers for these probabilities, very comprehensive. And on the right-hand side, it also gives you the binomial probability distributions. Okay. And if you are interested in, say, the probability to fall within certain range, so let's say minimum success is 1 and the maximum is 5. And now it's going to calculate probability for random variable x fall within x1, x2, or outside x1, x2. Okay, so let's calculate. Okay, now it's give you the two probabilities and the mean and standard deviations. Okay, so this is a pretty very convenient calculator for binomial probabilities. Thanks for watching.